Oh shit. Getting the Flash Pro ready. Guys, it's about to go down today, bro. It's about to go down. It's about to go down, dude. Like, I don't I don't even know, like, I don't even know what else to say. I really don't. I gotta connect the I have a piece of intake I'm just gonna connect for the startup, guys. No, I'm not keeping stock. My cold air is coming this week, so you could see I already took my resonator out, my intake resonator, so that's just gonna chill right there. But K24 is in, dude. All I have to do now, bleed the coolant. We'll add the trans fluid first, bleed coolant, and then I need to adjust my, here, I'll show you this real quick. I'm all over the place. I got this little cheap spill-proof funnel kit on Amazon. Let's bring you guys into the cockpit, dude. Let me get a light for you guys. So all I have left to do is basically adjust my CMC rod. I'm using the K-tuned one right now. So, well, not really the rod, it's more of the clutch pedal itself, because the rod's basically already adjusted. Had some complications during the process. Look at this. I actually had to take my K20 crank off. I tried being a hero, and I was like, oh dude, I'll just get a Rock Auto one, right? I'll get a Rock Auto crank. Guys, do not order a Rock Auto Dorman crank. You will have so much trouble trying to get this goddamn belt on, all right? I stripped out the tensioner bolt. To get this belt on still, I had to take the idler off. So huge shout out to Zach's FA5 for kind of giving me a little tip right there. I was trying to hang this thing before. I would back out the bolt, I would leave the idler to sag, but I couldn't get this freaking belt up over the top. So it's officially on, guys. Everything's connected. Can't really see, but running the K20 crank. I knew this before I started, guys. So when I measured this up to my K21, I was like, dude, this thing is definitely a little bit bigger than the K20, right? And then I matched it up to the K24. This is the K24 one, right? Line up the keyways right here on the sides, right? If you're gonna do this swap and you want it to be easy the first time, don't guess with it, and definitely stick with the OEM crank pulley, guys, because you will fight with it. I read it on the forums and I was actually laughing. I'm like, yeah, dude, I won't do that. And I ended up freaking doing that. But yeah, JDM K24 is in. Right now I have to basically back it up near the trailers over there so I can get some tranny fluid in it. What if she doesn't start, dude? All right, guys, I got the, let me grab the tranny fluid, Crocs with socks, baby. All right, so this is the intake I'm gonna be running. Shout out Yambo. This is just to get the car started, guys. Like I said, no, I'm not running this short ram, okay? I'm just gonna use it to get the car started. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm gonna tuck it kind of like right here for right now. Connect it onto the stock hose. I gotta connect my, the MAF sensor onto that. We need this stuff, so we're gonna do the tranny stuff right now. Manual tranny fluid. I left the bolt cracked down there, obviously, make my life a little bit easier, but I did tighten the drain bolt down there just so I didn't forget to do that. I'm basically checking all my sensors right now, making sure everything's connected, belt is on. What else here? Just kind of like dicking around, you know? Putting the tranny fluid in right now. Gotta try to line this adapter up, this fitting here. It's kind of a pain in the balls to get down there, guys. If you can, try to get two hoses. Try to get another hose that connects onto the nozzle, the little thing down there. It'll be a lot easier to do, guys. But we're adding this in right now. You can see it's it's traveling through the tube, guys. Make sure you have a light so you can see when it stops taking it. All right, clean fluid right there. Look at that. All right, so I'm ready to get roasted for my intake, guys. This is like my 25th one. You know the deal. We're about to run short ram on a K24 as well. No cap. Nah, but seriously, look at this, dude. All right, this qualifies for the ghettoest, literally ghettoest intake you guys can ever have. It's a good thing this is only temporary for startup, guys. Like I said, I'm waiting for my cold air to get here, and my boy had an extra pipe. I got my funnel kit. We're about to get this thing ready, and I got to adjust my clutch like I said. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the startup, guys. Should I start it up for you guys today? Should I start it up for you guys today? Good old Flash Pro, guys. I'm uploading the base map right now, just for temporary, just for like a day. Then I'm gonna get an E-tune, and then I'll save for a dyno tune. So we'll load this up. Bada bang. All right, guys, we'll chuck the Flash Pro in here. Before I even plug the Flash Pro up, guys, I'm gonna prime the fuel system. We're just gonna turn the ignition switch on like 3 or 4 times so I can get fuel running up through this rail here. I wanna check for any leaks, guys. You can see at the fuel rail right here, make sure my O-rings are good. Injectors are all plugged in. Just make sure everything is basically plugged in, you know, VTEC spool valve. Header. This thing is a freaking mess right now. All right, I want to make sure that the trans shifts into gears.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse.
Clutch honestly feels like OEM. Look at that. A little bit of pedal play. Dude, I think I gotta take a fear dump. I think I gotta take a fear dump. Oh shit! Oh my god, dude. Just prime the system a few times. Want to see if there's any type of leaks coming through here. Dude, I'm so scared right now. All right, the ignition is on. We are going to program. Okay, programming right now. So let's see what happens, guys. Don't mind all this crap everywhere. Jesus, how long does this shit take? All right, there goes the light, guys. There goes the light. Here it is, dude. I'm so scared right now. It cracked. Poking something. Oh, all right. Oh my god. Dude, hold on. Oh my god, this is so crazy, dude. Kind of a little loud, like the valve train and stuff. Dude. Oh my god, dude. All right, easy. Let me see the temp gauge.
Did a motor job. Motor's running, it's in, fired up. 350 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. Snap your head back in the seat.
I'm not gonna lie, guys, that wasn't a crazy first impression because my heart is like pounding right now. I was so nervous upon the startup right now. Dude, any CELs? We got any check engine lights? This is a huge deal. Like, if you do all this work and then you have a check engine light afterwards and you got to pretty much start from scratch again, all I was thinking was like, dude, is something gonna pop up? Did I get everything right? I hope the oil pressure is good. I need to do a few things right now. I got to do the crank relearn procedure, and I have to break the clutch in 1,000 miles. I got to change the oil after 1,000 miles. So, dude, I'm stoked. Like, I'm not impressed with my valve job though, I'm not gonna lie. I think it could be a little bit more quieter, but I can always do that down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
Shut off.
It feels so weird, man. Well, I kind of shut it off. Wasn't having any heat come in there, guys, and I gotta wait until this thing basically cools down now so I can open the radiator cap, pour coolant in there, start the car again, and try to bleed it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's stressful. It's very, very stressful, and like I said, the reaction wasn't like what I intended on being. I was gonna start like going crazy, but like, dude, no lie, like I was nervous, man. Like I was super nervous because this is the biggest job I've ever done, literally. Like literally, guys. So I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I think I need to get a nice tune. Holy crap, dude. It lives. It lives. I still have to bleed the coolant out, like I said. This is like, I can't even talk right now. I can't even think right now, dude. Like, this is crazy. And obviously she's not done. Like I said, I got my new intake coming soon, so I'll have to reinstall that. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Man, let me know. All right, don't mind if my hair's all screwed up, or I probably got black on my face, whatever. Let me know what you guys want to see. I know I have a ton of content, guys. It's all that I'm all backed up. Like I have like probably 10 videos worth of content. Drop all your questions, your comments down below. If you guys are running a K24a, K24a2, A4, K20Z3, what your setup is. Obviously I asked this a lot, but I'm mainly focused on the 24. I might wait to I wanted to take it for a ride tonight, but nervous. That was a nervous reaction. That was a nervous reaction, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be straight up honest, you, I was nervous. Like, it's a straightforward swap. I have to do a review on the Innovative Mounts, guys. Again, huge shout out to Jerry. I appreciate you guys at Innovative Mounts sending me some products to try. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Like I said, drop all your comments down below. Give me a like, guys. Give the K24, Abby the K24 a like. Give Project Midnight a like. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching. I'm still sitting here in shock. Like, dude, I can't believe it. I really can't believe it, man. Like, this is like crazy, dude. Like, I always wanted this. I always wanted this. This is one of my this was one of my dreams since a kid, is doing a motor swap. Shout out to all you guys who helped me out. Shout out my haters for keeping check on me all the time, and you know, trying to be like me and stuff. You guys are awesome too. You know, I don't even care. But dude, this is crazy. Like, I'm like, I was expecting like a scream when I started it, but like I said, dude, I was so nervous. Like, my heart was like racing and my hands were shaking, dude. I was like, I had some anxiety, dude, when I was started. I'm not even gonna lie with you guys. Just calm down. Clean up all my tools. I'm letting this thing cool down. I need to bleed the system right because I'm still getting no heat right now. So that means that the thermostat is most likely not opening up fully right now, and I didn't even hear the fans or see the fans kick on. So there's definitely still air in the system, and I need to make sure that all the coolant and gets into the block, and that the air gets out of the whole thing, because I don't want to have any overheating issues. But dude, look at that deck height right there. Like, look at her. I guess I should start cleaning up all my stuff, guys. I got my freaking K20 sitting here. Dude, I got tools everywhere, like, so I'll start cleaning up, probably eat some dinner, and then I'm gonna shower and hop in midnight. We'll take a night cruise. Don't worry, I'll film it.